Tick-tock, tick-tock. Missed the station, so I missed my train. Missed the step and tumbled down the drain. Missed your postcard and I missed your call. Swoop the back, oh Jack, I missed the ball.
When I was putting together the season, we decided to do Later the Same Evening by Mark Campbell and John Musto, a work inspired by 5 paintings by Edward Hopper. As it was a one act, I wanted to commission a new work in my first season and wanted to get something about other American artists. So I went to 2 great American artists now, Jeanine Tesori, composer, Tony Kushner, playwright. And I spoke with them about writing a companion piece, a one-actor, about other American artists. They chose Eugene O'Neill. So the story focuses on an episode in the life of Eugene and his wife Carlotta O'Neill when they lived in Marblehead Neck.
The sea was a very important part of O'Neill's life. He was very connected to it spiritually, I think. And so the interior of the house has a picture of New England coast. So you see the water, and there's also giant waves, and there's a fight taking place. So the idea that there's like this ocean waves thrashing around at the start of the show kind of seemed appropriate.
I was very interested for O'Neill what pulled him, and the themes that constantly come up of deprivation, about his Irish background, about this abject fear of poverty.
I never struck the drab, for all that I was often in sorely tempted.
There's an opening theme of the storm and the sea, which constantly echoes through the piece, and sometimes is a little bit of a Where's Waldo, where you can hear it and use it as play. I use it a lot for Eugene when he's being pulled away and pulled to something, because his life has been reduced to, in a sense, such discomfort because his family is destroyed. I think when he thinks that it's his daughter, that to me is a part that I didn't know was going to happen, and that's Tony. He figured something out while he was writing it that he didn't know that he was going to write, and that's my favorite thing. That to me is the beauty of development.
I think that the music is very memorable and very beautiful and very expressive.